Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a sloppy Joe. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon sloppy Joe, we're going to begin with the bun. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come up and then it's going to come down in like a sad face shape. Next we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down a little bit and then we're going to curve it up here to connect it. Now starting here, we're just going to make some really kind of small bumpy lines. They're just kind of going up and down and all over the place on here, and they're going to come right up to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, we're going to come over, and then we're going to go up here. Now let's add a little face on here. I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye up here. I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to make another circle for an eye over here. Then we're going to add two little circles inside of here for some pupils. Then right here I'm going to draw a line across with a line that comes down and then up for the mouth. A little line across for the tongue, and we'll put some teeth in here. And then we're just going to go ahead and color this part in. Then I'm just going to go and add some small circles all around here just to make it look like there are some little seeds on top of our bun. And I'm even going to put a couple on the outside as well too. I'll make a couple more down here too. Then inside of here, I'm just going to add some little kind of bumpy lines in here just to make it look like there's a lot of texture. And then I'm even going to add a few little dots in here as well, just for some more detail. And there you go, there's your drawing of a sloppy Joe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.